Hey, what's up, y'all? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a message with WhatsApp in Google Ads. And so what you want to do is click on Assets. And once you hit the Assets tab, you want to go to Messages and then hit the Add button. Probably have to hit Messages again here. And then from here, you want to select which platform that you want to start the message on. For us, it'll be WhatsApp. And then if you want, you can set this to the campaign, account, and ad group level. Just depends on your preference or where you want the WhatsApp message to show up on. From here, you just want to put your number here. I'll just do an example one, 555, 555, 555. And then what you want the delivery with what you wanted to say, basically. You can say get a quote. And then for the call to action button, you can say contact us. And you can see it pop up right here in the example. And then for the description, call to action description, I usually just put get an instant quote. I'll just say get instant quote here. Instant quote today. Perfect. And there you have it. And then what you will do from here, you'll just hit save. And there you go. You just added a WhatsApp extension to your Google Ads. All right, thank you. I hope this video helps.